Hello everyone. So thanks for watching this video. Myself, I'm Ravi Kuwar, and I'm an information technology consultant. I'm completely a full-time freelancer working on the ML operations and DevOps operations and also cloud operations. I every day deal with multiple customers on products and solutions. So I'll be delivering multiple solutions to the multiple business clients, and especially wants to announce you that I'll be driving one course, the course called Multi-Cloud DevOps and MLOps course. The advantages of this course is I'll be covering three clouds, that is AWS and Azure and GCP. So over the three clouds, I'm going to implement DevOps method. So how it will be look like and what are the activities according to the modern strategies right now in the industries and companies following. So those kind of labs only I'm going to show you in this course. Everything is real time, guys. Everything is real time applications, completely real time applications. So I'm going to deploy here. So for every class, so there will be a separate repository. The repository is going to build by me only and my community developers. So those applications only we're going to deploy into this class, and then you'll get a very good clarity over like kind of e-commerce applications or finance applications, kind of the applications which are using in the industry right now. So those kind of replica applications only we're going to deploy, and we'll see that. So you'll get an in and out of knowledge over the AWS, Azure, and GCP, and as well as the new strategies and methods into the DevOps, so that make you more perfect. If you implement a DevOps over the AWS, how it will look like. If you implement the DevOps over the Azure, how it will look like. If you implement the DevOps over the GCP, how it will be look like. So all this concept you're going to learn in this course. And top of that, the advantage is MLOps. So MLOps also I'm going to cover. It is mainly focused for the freshers, and also it is mainly focused for the persons who are want to switch their domain from non-technical background to the technical background side. So it will be completely okay, guys. So no coding, nothing, no need of code. So even there is some need of code that at your working profile, but no need to do any development with your hands. You just need to have an understanding over the code. Let's say let's take it as a Python. So you don't need to know about the Python. We need to just know how the Python can works, and you just need to understand how the Python workflow will be. Coming to the MLOps only, but about DevOps, no need actually. Here you're not doing any development, you're not putting your finger into the coding or code base, you are just only an operator, guys. Okay, so you're going to operate the code and make sure that you are deploying into the production. So that is your goal. The end goal is you need to deploy into the production. So for this, what are all the tools you'll use? For MLOps, we use again DevOps principles only. To understand the DevOps, we need to understand the networking and cloud. Right. So all these things I'm going to teach you in this course. So you will get a very good extensive experience and knowledge. So that will make you to get high paid job in the market. If you check the market, so DevOps openings are more in this current period right now in this November. So there are openings more, and be ready for the January market, because at January there will be multiple companies are going to open hiring, because there will be multiple projects are coming into India especially. So even that is added advantage for you guys. If you learn this course right now, by that time you'll be get ready. And this course duration is 90 days, and it may extend to 100 days. Okay, and complete knowledge and complete subject you will get in this, guys. So trust me, I'll be with you for everything. We have our old students who are successfully working at the MNC companies and startup-based companies and mid-scale companies. So we'll tie up you with them, and you can learn also from them. So whatever they're doing and whatever, so they are also having hands-on experience, they'll share with you. And you'll have one buddy. So buddy will explain you everything. If you have any question, regarding recordings, notes, practicals, anything it can be. So the buddy will help you. He will connect over the call, he will connect over the meeting, and he will tell you everything, guys. And with this said, we have an advantages of this course. The course advantages is once you are enrolled this course, you will get a lot of advantages in this course. Like, so there will be a profile building for you. So we'll give you a resume support. We'll give you a resume support completely, and we'll build your resume, and we build your Naukri profile, and we build your LinkedIn profile. You just need to make sure that your Gmail address should be one. So with that, we'll be give you complete lifetime recording access, notes access, and as well we build your resume, and we build your Naukri, and we build your LinkedIn with a 100% profile percentage, and we'll apply some of the jobs for you, and we'll tell you how you can automate to applying the multiple jobs over the market. So that support you'll get. Along with that, you'll get the interviews support also. Interview support in the sense we'll conduct some mock interviews for you. With that, you'll be able to brush up your knowledge and skill, and you can crack the job. And we'll tell you how to engage into the interviews and how you can crack. So we have our old students who have successfully cracked many big companies like Siemens, ADP, and other Bosch companies. So they also will guide you that how you can attend the interviews. Okay. So the advantage of this is you can attend 5 days free classes. 5 free classes you can attend, and then you can decide. So trust me, guys, you will never get this kind of subject outside in the market. So this is going to be something very special. So because as we are a freelancing firm, we every day deliver many things, and I am the consultant for this, and I'll be delivering many products to the business clients. So all those things I'll going to teach you in this course, and the new strategies what I'm doing. So according to the same real-time knowledge only I'm going to share you in this course. So don't miss out, and we will be provide you and complete job assistance, 100% job assistance. That means will whatever you have doubt, whatever you have about the job or interview or any technical things, so that we will help you. It can be anything, will help you. We'll help you in your initial job time also. Like uh, after your cracking interview, you join into the company and you don't know how to be there and all, so we'll help you on that also. So to make you familiar with that process, in this course we are creating the teams. And we'll be conducting scrum, sprint, stand-up calls, and we also create the Jira board for you, and we'll assign some tickets, and we ask you to develop something. So that will avoid your fear once you join into the company. So this process will help you a lot, guys, trust me. So this is the course highlights, and you can join 5 free classes. Under this video description you can find this Cisco Webex Meet link. There you can join every day. So classes are already started, and these free classes are just the preparation classes for you guys. So that is going to make you for like an understanding person. So like from November 14, November 4, the coming November 4 will be giving all access to the registered persons only and everything. So who are on not registered, they can just only join the class, but they're not able to access the recordings and other notes, important notes. So every day you'll get the recording and notes from your Google Classroom. Let's say this is a classroom. If you see, so here the classes will be there. If you click on this class, so there will be a material. So this material and notes and the videos will be like this. So you can access from one point only. So from one point, class 1, you can access the notes also. You can access all the videos related to it, and every topic. So whatever the topic is there, under each topic there will be interview questions. So 10 to 20 interview questions on each topic you will find under the beneath of the notes only. So that will make you help, like it will help you to crack your interviews. And if you want to check out this, for an example, how you want to see the notes, like how it will be. So it will be like this. You can see. So with some screenshots and with very step-by-step notes will be available for you. So even you're not watching recording, with notes you can easily able to do your lab. And if you want to check out the syllabus, so please check under video description or in the comment section. So there will be a course content also. You can check this one. Okay. So each section is very important. So a lot of points we cover in this, and you're going to learn very good. So the coming future is MLOps, guys. So please be stick with the MLOps and get your high paid job with this course. And MLOps is going to be a feature. So trust me. So every company is insisting to use the AI to get the AI into application. MLOps is needed. So there is a slight difference between DevOps and ML operations. So don't miss out. So this is my personal recommendation to everyone, not like a trainer, like a friend I'm telling. So please look at MLOps in the Google or do your research and whatever, then come to a decision. You can join 5 free classes and then you can decide that you want to enroll this course or not. Okay. Thank you guys. You can check out my YouTube channel also. So EmergencyTechOps. So there you can see some of the videos. So that will help you uh, to understand the further classes. Okay. I strongly recommend to you to watch one video. So I'll be going to share here. Just please go to my YouTube channel and watch this video, so it will be help you to
You will
understand what
experience some
is
security enhancements or some UI enhancements, some bug fixes.
okay. So go to my channel and you can see some of the videos here. So these videos will help you to understand about this course. So there are free classes I've already done, so it will make you to it will help you to understand what we are going right now and what are we uh, like how the process and everything. It will be help you to understand, guys. So please, I recommend you to watch these videos and then come back to our free classes. Otherwise you can start with our free classes also. So they'll here also everything I'm covering from the scratch. Everything I'm covering from the scratch. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. We will meet you over the class.